We got the WeeyLite We-10 RGB. So this is I think the 10-inch ring light, right? So it was ordered actually for my wife. So we're gonna put this bad boy together. I'm gonna tell you how good it is. Do I like it or not? I seen a few reviews on the light, and it seemed like it was alright. Some people had some pros and cons on it. The Kells is 2,500 to 8,500, so should be pretty bright. We're about to unbox this bad boy and put it together, and then I'm gonna let you guys know is it good or not. Honest review. This is not a paid promotion or anything. We got that ring light ourselves with our own shmoneys. So all my reviews are honest here on Tech for Rec. So let's put this bad boy together so she can use it here in our walk-in closet and light herself up while she's doing her little makeup tutorials, her TikTok, or what have you, right? So yeah, let's get to it. Boop! Oh, at the present time on Amazon, I seen the 18-inch one for like 100 and something bucks. I think this one is 100 or just a little under, but it's in that price range. I couldn't find the exact one on Amazon, but a lot of people are buying it, so it should be a good light. It has different things you can set it to, like police lights, party lights, on and off flickering, ocean blue, you know, a lot of nice colors. So we're gonna check it out. Off top, I must say, packaging is very important. This is what it comes in. So this is cool, a little carry case. You can take it with you anywhere you want. I think that's very nice right there. So shout out to them for that. I don't know, I'm a little confused now because I got 10-inch ring lights, and there's nowhere near the size of this one. So this is kind of big. I think this is the 18-inch one. So pardon me if I'm wrong, but I don't see it nowhere. I know it says WE-10, so that's why I was figuring it was the 10-inch one. Unless that's just the name of it. But I think this is the 18-inch one. So if it is, it's $100 and something. She's not here right now, and for some apparent reason, I just see the manual in like Chinese. But it's all good. But I'll let you guys know in a second when I find it. But definitely, this is like too big to be 10-inch, bro. From my understanding on ring lights. Yeah. Off top, it comes with a few little gadgets. This is like for the iOS device, camera and all that. There's like a little controller. It's I guess to turn it on and off. So that's kind of cool, right? We gotta see if that thing works. And this is like where you're gonna be placing your phone at in here. So a lot of these things are good. It depends which ones you get. This one you screw on, and I guess you could pull it up after that, which should be cool. But I don't know, like it's not spacey enough. I don't know. You gotta unscrew it and pull up. You gotta fit your phone in there once this is on the thing. Tighten it in the back like this, right? Tighten it in the back, boom. And then this gets to screw up and try to fit your phone, and then you screw your phone back in there, so this will be holding your phone kind of tight in there, right? But I'm not feeling that one right there, to be honest. I like, my things are like this. This one is a whole lot different. I like the ones that are actually stretch out. This is for like a bigger phone. I guess this will be hers because she got like the Galaxy humongous joints, which is cool. So it has a little cushion. It's not the best of things, but the good thing is that I buy these little cushions, and I have a few of them, so if they ever get missing on her, I could use it. So the tripod, I couldn't find it at first. It was stashed in the box. I'm like, they didn't send it. It's pretty good. It's not like the cheapest, and it has these screws. I like screw things. I think they cool. So I think I'm done with these leg tripods. I'm starting to buy clam on for desks, but they cool like for around the house if you got a big apartment. The good thing is that we do respectfully, right? For those that don't, uh, there's some people that may not have a big apartment and may feel a certain way, right? That's never the intent. So you screw it on. It has a few screws. You could tighten it. I don't think you want to tighten it too hard. Never, but just enough. I'm going to put it a little high so you guys can actually see when I put the ring light. And then I'll fix it to the way she likes whenever she gets around. Then it goes up pretty high, so that's a good thing about it. This goes even higher, and the bottom is not even all the way up, so that's cool. I think that's very important. So I always put it like down. This is one thing that it screws on pretty good, and it's kind of stable. I mean, for a ring light. And this is self-explanatory. I mean, this doesn't take a rocket scientist to build. You just put this in here. You gotta make space for it. This is the grip. I always leave that, or try to leave it. And it goes in here. I always try to even out the screws, like they all together on one side. So whenever I turn it, you're trying to hide. Some people don't like this part showing. But whatever works for you, right? And you gotta be careful with the top because it could tilt. So you want to tighten that a little bit. And right there should be good. So far so good. That's the ring light right there. I don't know, the bottom don't feel, well, it's a little wiggly, I'm gonna be honest. It could have been a little less wiggly, but in order to clear that up, I'll just bring it down a little. It always gives a little more stability. I know that. You know, makes it a little firmer, or am I bugging out? I don't know, it's kind of like wobbly a little bit to me. I'm not feeling that part of it. I think it should have been a little more sturdier. But how can we fix that? I don't know. But like to me, it's a little on the shaky side, a little bit. So I think that that's probably one of the little minor defects on it. I don't know if you want it to be this way or should it have been the other way, like this. But I'll let her figure that out. But I always put it I always put it with the point facing towards me. I don't know if I'm doing that wrong, so if you guys ever know, I always put it facing towards me. So for like the light, if it's gonna fall this way, that'll stop it, the foot. But some people like it in the back. I don't know, I just think it could have been a little more sturdy. I don't know if you noticed that, but whatever. Let's move right along. So these things are supposed to go on this clip that goes here. And I don't know how that's gonna happen. Okay, here we go. So it has ball points. It has I could have put that. So these gadgets that it comes with is like so you can move it around. It's like the ball mount. So you can move it sideways this way or whichever way you would like to. I don't know if that's gonna be usable, but I'm gonna put that up and let you know right now. So it should be something like that on your phone, right? And I guess I clamped this on down here this way. Some people have it doubled up. I put it that way just so I feel like it holds it more sturdier. I think that's the way it was meant to be, to pinch it down there. And I guess it's good there. It holds the phone pretty sturdy. I think the clip phone holder could have been a whole lot better, but they can't put all the money into, you know what I mean? It's either the light is gonna be good or that's gonna be good. But if you have a bigger device, you can hook this up, and it comes with the ball point, so you can like maneuver the phone around if you want to put that one. At this point, I just put that straight forward one because I don't know what she plans on doing. But if anything, it just could be changed real quick. This goes on top, and then you put the ballpoint one, and you'll be able to, you know, it moves the phone forward or backwards or like that. You know, like you could be able to move the phone, flip it towards you, or round. Let's turn this bad boy on. So it comes with a controller also, RC11. This is definitely has to be. I don't know. I don't see why this would be the. I think this is the only one I found. This has to be the 18-inch one. But why is it called that? Like, I don't know. It's weird. But it's the only one that I found. So I think they all this actually the same. So yeah, it comes with the plug. It's also battery operated, but it don't come with those batteries. But in the back, it has where you can put your little batteries. They go right here, blah, blah. So it can be battery operated. Uh, that's not gonna happen. You know, like we'd rather just plug things on. This is like if you're gonna take it outside somewhere. The battery's always good to have, though. Definitely always good to have. So in the back you have these the controllers where you could put up the kills on the light or whatever, right? If I'm saying it correctly, yeah, I think that's what it is. The kills, the lighting, yeah, now, dude. So I remember this right here. It comes with it. Whatever this thing means. Okay, this is the plug-in thing situation. I guess they put it separate for whatever reason, but this definitely goes clipped in there so you could plug it in. Bah! So it has an open and a lock. That's cool. Like, I don't know why they just didn't put it together, but I guess for the packaging safety. So we're about to see if this bad boy turns on. Boop. Oh, snap. There we go. Holy snap. So this over here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so it's on power. It's 96%. We're going to lower the power down. The power could get crazy. So it's controllable too. You got to know how to function this. Why it seems to be getting more intense. Oh, and you press it and it goes down to the huge. Okay. And the satch. Okay, so there you're going to be on your own with that. You know, like she's going to have to know how to figure that out. You know, it's like the coloration situation. So it changes like that's the way you change it actually. You know, the huge, if I'm saying it right, it's like the colors that you can change it to. And this is the way it changes. It's on 100% right there. It's green. Like a white. It's like an ocean colory right there. But don't get it twisted. They got an app. So the colors is cool that it changes into. That's cool. That's a pinkish. I'm pretty sure you can't see it because it's too much light towards the thing, towards the phone. But if I lower the thing on my phone, hold on, so you can see more color. And the light is on in here. So let's try that. So you can see it in the actual dark. So it's like a reddish right there. You see it? It's definitely red. But I'm pretty sure you can't see it like that. Like a red on the phone. I don't know why. Let's see what's going on here. Well, anyway, the thing is that this thing is too bright for his bridges. That's green. It's like a purplish. See, like a bluish. There goes that purple, like purple pink. So do I like the light? Of course, I think it's cool. Let's see the bottom. Is that 90? Alright, so it goes all the way to 100. Oh, this lowers like the brightness on it. I'll leave it at 90. She can deal with that. How much power you want to put into it. The power has a lot to do with it also. So I'm going to leave that all there. I'm going to change this to a purplish. Oh, red is good. I'll leave it at red. Which doesn't even probably look red there, but it's definitely red right now. So, I don't know. Is the light good? I'm going to be real with you. Like, for me, I like it, right? And I guess you got to be recording from it. Like, so you can actually see the light and what picture it gives out. And in fact, you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to take the phone where I'm recording with you guys and put it over there and then record. Alright, so is it cool? It's cool. But the only thing I don't like, to be realistic with you guys, is just the fact that there's no way, nowhere for you to put, like, your microphone. Like, it has to be bought another setup there. Like, for you to put a mic, right? And a stand. Unless you're going to put your mic somewhere else, or you buy, like, an Elgato extended pod and it goes right around this pole, and then you can do whatever you want with it, like for a little mic like this, because the socket for this mic is actually the holder for the phone is there, the phone on. So that's the only thing. So you would need like a one of these Ulanzi things on there. And the actual problem is that this Ulanzi rig, I don't think it fits in there. Oh, it kind of sort of does. Wow, I think she may want my rig. So yeah, with the Ulanzi rig in there, you're good. And I think it does fit in there. I'm not sure. But we're about to find out. But this is a good light. So do I recommend it? Of course, I think it's cool. I think it has a lot of power. It has a lot of potential. So I don't know if you get like the kind of sort of theme that the light is going for there. So it's like on a pinkish purple type color, and that's actually what you see on the skin, right? I don't know. You have to have your phone set to good lighting and all that, and she does. So I think it's a good light, right? I just think that it's more like, being that it's RGB and it's changeable to different colors. It's cool. I would use it as a backlight for my setup, and I would use it on white walls for some reason, right? Check this out. There, the power is at 100, and I changed it to red. So you get it, like when it's dark. So that point, the light is awesome when you change the colors and you get a right one to match your skin complexion, because it could also make your face look crazy. So once you get to know the light and you get to play with it, it's an awesome light. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Definitely. Is it worth it? Of course. Definitely. And if it's your first ring light, you won't even notice anything that anyone else does, right? But you got to learn how to work it. Once you learn how to tweak it and it works for you, it's awesome. So I would suggest that you get it. I think it's an awesome light.